Hi, how are you doing today? My name is Cindy. My channel is More Than 2 Cents. I do have another Temu haul, you guys. I know it's just been like daily Temu hauls. All this stuff is coming in all at one time. Yeah, so I want to show it to you. The links to these items will be in my description box. I also do have a Temu affiliate code up here. If you are new to Temu and you download the app, you can use that affiliate code. I also have other codes in my description box that are good for everybody. And I also have a code and a link if you are interested in becoming a Temu influencer affiliate. They are running a lot of promotions right now, especially if you signed up to be an affiliate. I highly suggest looking into that. So I just have a random Temu haul for you guys today. I am wearing one of the items. It is this hat. At first, I don't know. I thought I was going to return this because I thought it was too small, but then I am wearing a wig. So of course it looks good with the wig. You know, it's one of those days, you guys, where I just didn't feel like doing anything with my hair. Sometimes you just put a wig and a hat and that's that. The sweater is from Temu. I got this a little while ago. If you are interested, I will try to see if it's still available and give you the link for that. And this necklace is also from Temu, and I think I still see these on there, but if you are interested in these items, let me know and I will link them for you. I'm also putting the links in my comments section just to make it easier in case you can't get into the description box or something. I have a few jewelry items, so just a couple. So I'm loving these, you guys. This is almost like a rhinestone leopard print. So I just thought these were so pretty. So hopefully you're seeing these, you guys. So let me try to kind of block my face in case it's focusing on that. But these are gorgeous. Look at these. So much bling, and it's got that leopard look to it. I think these are so pretty. And yeah, so they do have the little gold hook. And you know, if you've been watching me, you know I've been buying a lot of leopard things. So these are really fun. Okay, and then I did get these. These are just some little studs, and they're the mixed metal. So they kind of have a gold or pewter kind of look. And then I have some other mixed metal jewelry that I've bought from Temu. So I was looking for earrings, and so I really like these. I think these are going to be worn by me a lot, and they seem really good quality too. And then I did get this necklace. Unfortunately, I've already broken it, you guys. That's just too bad. But the chain is a little thin, and yeah, somehow I broke it. But this one, it has magnets in it, and it's all these little hearts that are together. But you can actually, so if this other piece was attached over there, if you pull on it, which is what I tried to do, but I didn't realize it was like stuck on something and I pulled too hard. But yeah, it comes apart. Oh, it's upside down, but look, and then it creates all these little hearts, you guys. How stinking cute is that? And then you just push them back together and it makes almost like a 4-leaf clover or a little flower design with the hearts. I just think this is so cute. I mean, the idea of it is really awesome because it's almost like two necklaces in one, right? But unfortunately, I broke it. So I think this also came in gold color. I opted for the silver color, and then the hearts have little like rhinestones on them. I don't know if you can see that. So I'm probably going to reorder this. And yeah, because I don't know if I can actually repair that. I guess I probably could. And I might even add like a different chain on it because I kind of want a longer chain too. But I just love the heart thing with the magnets and how it makes that design. I just think that's so cool. Okay. And then I love this. I love these so much, you guys, and I'll put a little video clip of it lit up. Okay, so I just opted for this black one with the clear, and then I love that it has a timer on it. I think that's so super handy, and you can adjust the light up and down. So this fits, I oh, I don't have any candles in here to show you, but you'll see it in the video. So it fits like a pretty large candle. So this is adjustable. So you can see it goes down if you turn this little thing here, or it goes up. So you can fit a pretty decent sized candle under here. And I love it because I have those candles where the wicks, you know, the wax is burnt down around the wick. And yeah, so I love that. And I feel like when it gets really down to the bottom, you can still get some scent out of it by using this. And I feel like this is more safe, especially with the timer function. But yeah, I am loving this so much. And I love it just as a little light too. I think this is great. I'm so glad that I bought myself this for a gift. Okay, and then I got these. So these are going to be future gifts for people for birthdays. But so they're just these little notebooks, and they just have these funny sayings on the outside. This one is brilliant ideas I had while drinking wine. So you'll see in an upcoming future Temu haul more things that go with this gift. But yeah, so it's just a little notebook. It just has lined pages. It does have a little space up here in the corner for a date. But yeah, it's just lined pages. And I mean, everybody can use this, right? Just to write notes or whatever. So this is one. And then the other one I got is this one. So this one I left in the plastic packaging so you can see how it comes. But it's exactly the same. It's lined on the inside. And it says stuff I absolutely need to remember, but will probably forget. So yeah, I mean, this would be a good one for me actually, because if I don't write things down, you guys, it didn't happen. Like I don't remember. So I have to write everything down. But yeah, so I thought these were really cute, and they'll make, you know, little partial gifts or whatever, or get them for yourself. Like I'm probably going to end up getting one for myself too, because I need more notebooks because I need to write things down or I forget. Okay, you guys, so that is actually all I have for you today. I know that was quite short, but I wanted to get on here and show you this stuff. Is that really all I have? Okay, I guess so. Happy New Year to everybody. Tomorrow is New Year's Eve as I'm filming this. So let me know, do you guys have plans for New Year's Eve? I think I'm actually going to stay home. We were invited to go to something, but I just can't stay out that late. I go to bed like so early. I mean, literally, I'm asleep by like 9. I kind of just want to be home. I'm kind of a homebody, and the holidays were really busy this year. I felt like it was just nonstop, go, go, go. I just kind of want to chill out and relax. So let me know, what are you guys doing? Yeah, I'm probably going to be watching the Twilight Zone marathon. I'm pretty sure that's a yearly thing, or I'm still catching up on Christmas movies, or I just say holiday movies. I know I'm still listening to holiday music. My husband, he's like, aren't we over that now? Isn't it after Christmas? No, it's holiday music. It's still the holidays officially until New Year's, right? I know, I'm kind of sad. Yeah, I'm going to be taking down my Christmas decorations. I'm also finally getting my hair done, you guys, and then maybe I won't have to wear wigs. I only get my hair done usually twice a year. So I think the last time I had it done was July, maybe. So I'm excited about that because it really needs to be cut and, you know, colored. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. You know, feel free to hype the video. You guys, I think YouTube will put it out to new people maybe. And yeah, I am trying to grow my channel. So I appreciate you all so much that have stuck around with me and have been so kind. Thank you so much to all my subscribers, or even just people that watch my videos. Thank you. I really appreciate it. And I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys. And I just want you to know, I wish you a happy new year. And I think I'm going to be back with another little Temu haul tomorrow. That's my plan anyway. So maybe I will see you then. So I'll be back. All right. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.